Hey everyone, Lyle with Blissimoto again, and this is the second part video. I'm going to do an install on a helmet that has the actual pockets. In this case, it's going to be my icon. So, obviously you want a nice safe place to work, to keep your helmet. I'm going to stick it in my lap because that works for me. Now, as we discussed before, in the last video, on the icon, you have this section right here, okay? Ooh, sorry, see this fabric that moves? Right behind there is the round divot for the speakers, okay? It's placed about where your ear is going to be in the helmet. That's natural. A lot of helmets have this already. So when you have that divot, this is what you're going to do. You're going to take 3M pad. Now in this case, I'm using the soft side. We call it the soft side because this has the rougher side of the Velcro already on it. The speaker does. And I'm just going to peel back the sticky little thingy. Oh, I already did this helmet. You didn't see it. Take a little bit of isopropyl alcohol, wipe it down where you plan on sticking this, so you have a nice, good seal. Do not put these on the fabric of your helmet. Okay, don't do that. These are meant for install against the foam. Trust me, bad idea doing it the other way. So. And you gotta be smarter than the 3M, which apparently I'm not. There it goes. Yeah, sometimes, like, I know some people who never have this problem. I always have this problem getting these, the protective backing off sticky stuff. For me, it's always a little bit of a trick. Never understood why it's harder for me. There it goes. Huzzah! Man, it's good sticky. It's actually fighting me a little bit. You know it's going to be a good mounting, right? There it goes. Alright, so sticky side. And what I'm doing is, it's going to be hard to see it. Once again, you can see I'm kind of pushing on the fabric right there. And I'm just pulling the fabric back and putting the Velcro circle directly onto the divot in my helmet, okay? And let's see if you can see that. I guess I should turn the helmet so you can see it. Okay. Right there. See where the black is, the black circle right there? Right there. See it? So that's where I just placed it. Alright? So it's really simple. I'm just putting it in there. And I'm going to take this other one and do the same thing to the other side. Sorry, cat's trying to eat my leather jacket. Does anyone else have cats that like their riding gear? My cats do. All my cats have over the years. They just love my riding gear. Never quite understood that. I think my riding gear is kind of gross and stinky and needs washed all the time. So here's the other one. And you just put it in. There we go. All right, installed. So that's the foam part. That's like the hard part. Now that Velcro is designed to interface with the Velcro on the back of your speakers, so it'll be a much tighter fit, and they're not going to want to come out, like they won't just pop out as easy anymore. Okay. Because if you do it where you're putting it straight to your liner, it's got more of a chance of popping free. Now, once again, when you're putting the speakers in, this is your left side, this is your right. Okay? You want to install them so your cables can run through the cracks of your padding. Okay? So I've got my one right there. Now in this helmet, the liner snaps in and out. So I'm actually unsnapping I've already unsnapped the liner a little bit, as you can see right here. So I can tuck all of this extra back up underneath here into the helmet foam. That way it's not hanging free. And I'm orientating it so the cables actually on each speaker actually hang down. So that's done. I'm going to tuck this all. The nice thing about the flat cable is it just tucks in real nice. And it lays flat and it doesn't take up any space. I'm going to snap my liner back in. Installs nice and good. Alright. I know, you're all disappointed I don't have the gold shield on the helmet. Well, that's because I go to work in the morning where the sun out, and I come home when it's dark right now. So I need a clear windshield when I'm driving home at night. Nice on. I don't even notice the speakers. I mean, I can kind of feel them in there, but they're not like really, aggravating me. This has got a nice secure location. So having the cable in the jacket is actually good for me. So put your jacket on. Connect your cable. Now the whole point of the cable having a clip, this little clip, is you can attach it to something and retrieve it easy. For me, I'm just going to attach it right here to my collar, because that's what I like. I'm going to stick it right there, so that when I disconnect the cable, it'll be right there already for me. That's it. I think I had to connect my remote. Yep, there you go. And we've got music. That's all there is to it, guys. So, yeah. When you buy your kit, it's really super easy to install. The sound's pretty good. And if you don't think the sound is good enough, it means the speakers are not in the right position. So you need to pay attention to where they are in your helmet, according to your ears. In this case, my speakers are right where I want them to be, but I have a bit of fabric in the way. So I need to do a little bit of work on the helmet to get things exact set just how I want. Sometimes you got to. Some helmets, the fabric just flips out of the way. On this one, it just kind of tucks, and it doesn't work very good. So I'm probably just going to cut that little stretch of fabric out, because there's no point in leaving that in there. I got the speakers there. I don't want to cover my speakers up, right? So y'all have a great weekend, or weekday, whichever it is, and we will talk to you later. Bye.